Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra and today I am going to be doing a fall look because it is officially fall. And you know what, I enjoy fall. Do I enjoy fall in the lower mainland? No, because it rains way too much. I like it where it's cold, but sunny, and the leaves are changing, not where it rains every single day. Anywho, I asked on my Instagram between these three new Huda Beauty, the new Haze mini palettes, between the sand, purple, and khaki haze, which one you guys would like to see me do a fall look with. Votes are in. It is the sand haze palette. Which, I mean, I wouldn't have been upset with any of them, but this one is a lot of neutrals and it's really pretty. I really like this bronze right there. I think that's really pretty and that'll probably end up on my eye. Or this middle one too, that's my vibe. I enjoy it. Anyways, I have some new products that I'm gonna be trying out. I got the new Dior highlighting palette. I've been wanting to try the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So we're gonna try that today. The Brow Micro Filling Pen from Benefit, and just some other goodies that I picked up the last month or so from Sephora. We'll just get into it, shall we? So I'm gonna take my two favorite primers, the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer and the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, because winter is coming and we need all the hydration we can get. Speaking of hydration, actually, the other day I had a facial and it was the Environ facial. That was the craziest facial I've ever had. They used this like zappy thing that's supposed to get the hydration down deeper. So the girl that I go to, she's at Cloud 9 in Maple Ridge. Her name is Brooke in Lower Mainland. She's amazing. She's doing this facial. It literally, it felt like my brain was tight. It was the weirdest feeling ever. And then she came down here. I could literally feel it in my bottom tooth and it felt like my tooth was shaking. It was really funny. I couldn't stop laughing as she was doing it. Yeah, it was the craziest thing I've ever gone through. But would highly recommend doing that facial, especially in the winter time. For foundation today, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. Okay, my battery is almost dead, so I'm going to switch that over. For concealer, I'm going to take this Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hour. For a setting powder, I'm actually going to take the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder, and this is in the shade 1 Fair. Wow. Huh. This actually gives the skin a really nice finish. Cool. I am looking forward to using that more. For bronzer today, I'm gonna go in with the Burberry Light Glow Earthy Blush number 7. And then for blush today, I'm gonna take my Scott Barnes blush palette and just kind of mix a few of them together, like I usually do. For highlighter today, I'm going to take the new Dior highlighting face palette, the Glow Face Palette, and this is the rose gold one. I also got these, both are limited edition for the holiday collections, and I also got, this is the pure gold. I kind of want to see what will happen if I mix it all together like I usually do. That's pretty. I like the Dior highlighters because they have a very soft glow if you want it to be, but you can build it up fairly easily as well, which makes them good for your kit. Okay, now for eyebrows, I'm gonna take this brow micro filling pen. The reason I wanted to try it is because it has these 3 lines on there. You can see that. So I want to give it a shot, see how it is. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up and just, I guess, see how it works. It's actually really pretty. It's nice when you want a natural looking brow, not like a cartoony, super drawn on brow. It's also nice that not a lot of product comes out as soon as you start using it. I find sometimes with felt tip brow products, when you kind of like first use it, a ton of product comes out and then you're like, oh crap. You have to like try and go back and fix it, and it's a whole thing. It's super frustrating. Not that that's ever happened to me. And this is just the brow gel from Benefit. I'm just kind of going over and making sure there's no hairs out of place. Okay, now for eyes, as per my Instagram quiz or question, I guess, we are taking the Huda Beauty. I was looking at the haze, as I said. This is the Sand Haze Mini Obsession palette from Huda Beauty. Like I said, I'm really feeling these top 2 palettes. Very pretty. And I kind of want a very specific transition shade, but none of these palettes really have it. I'm gonna go into this purple haze first. I'm gonna take this shade in the corner because that's kind of the tone of these other 2. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease first. I do really like Huda Beauty eyeshadows. However, one little beef that I have with them is her neutral brown shades. They can look very cool in the pan, but as soon as you go to put them on your eye, they pull red. I don't know why, but they have like this reddish undertone, and it happens to all of them, which is fine for some people, but sometimes you just want a good, true, cool tone. so now I'm going to take a pretty dense brush and I'm gonna go in with the darker of the two shimmers in the sand palette, and I'm gonna put it all over the lid. That's pretty. See, even this in here, like before you kind of start going into it, it looks like it's gonna be like a chocolatey metallic brown. As soon as you dip into this, it picks up like a red shimmer, which it looks really pretty, but if that's not what you're expecting, that's kind of sucks, but that's okay. And usually in the fall, this is kind of a go-to look for me. Just a blown out, warm tone brown, cool tone brown. A lot of browns happen in the fall, but just like a smoky eye. It's just easy to do. Okay, and then I'm going to take this shade at the bottom right here, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with it. Okay, and then as an inner corner highlight, I'm just going to take the Dior face palette again and mix these two. Okay, and then for setting spray, I'm going to take the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. It smells different. So pretty. Okay, and then for lashes, I'm just going to be taking the Lily Synthetic Lashes in the style Dallas and using the original Huda Beauty lash glue. The lash glue that Huda Beauty sells on Sephora in Canada sucks. Don't buy it. The black one is way better. I have to order it from the Huda Beauty website, but it's worth it. Okay, and then for lips, I'm going to take this Bodyography lip pencil in the color Rosewood. Okay, and then I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in Fussy. And then for mascara, just the Fenty Beauty mascara. And this is my finished super easy fall look. It's definitely one of my go-to kind of vibes for fall. It's very easy. Need like 2 brushes to do the eyes. Yeah, love it. And I'm really impressed with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. Yeah, it made my skin flawless. Very happy with that purchase. So yeah, if you guys like this look, give this video a like. Comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you know when I post new videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye!